So students, today we are going to discuss about certain man-made material. I hope you all know about the plastic up till now, and we can make a list of all the things that are made up of plastic in our homes and which material is wrapped around the items of glass and all. Cups are being kept in a box with thermocol. It is white colored material for shock absorbing and protecting the glass material from breakage in transportation. These thermocol sheets are being used. So first of all, we are going to discuss today about thermocol. A new, easily breakable item brought at your home is usually packed in a certain box so as to prevent that item from breaking while handling the box. Okay. It is also packed in one more wrapping. Usually the wrapping is of thermocol. Nowadays the plates used in mass feast are also made up of thermocol in public places where food is served. So to serve, they are not using any metal plate. They are considering these thermocol made plates, and many of certain projects also for school. If you are going to make up a house or any windmill and all with the help of thermocol, we all are making. But there are a lot of adverse effects of excessive use of thermocol on the environment as well as on human beings. So, being carcinogenic ingredients in styrene, the person in contact with thermocol for a long duration may have the possibility of blood cancer like leukemia and lymphoma. These type of blood cancers can also occur if you are working with thermocol all the time. Okay, working in thermocol making factories and all. So it's not at all good. Plus, it is not biodegradable. It takes a long duration for natural degradation of thermocol. Hence, many people opt for destroying it by burning. However, it is still more hazardous method as it releases poisonous gases in the atmosphere. As it is not getting degraded easily, it takes thousands of years for biodegradation. People prefer to burn it, but the gases that are released by burning them are very horrible. They are very poisonous for breathing. And in mass gatherings, in temples and all, where they serve food on certain occasions, or nowadays many people arrange parties in the open gardens and all. There, the plates and cups used for to offer the food, water, tea are made up of thermocol. It affects the health. The food kept in thermocol is reheated. Styrene may dissolve in that food also, and due to this, there is possibility of health problem again. Cancer is the disease that can be caused because of consumption of this styrene. The effect on person working in thermocol factory, they have to stay in contact with the thermocol for a long time and may develop the problems of eyes, respiratory system, skin, digestive system, etc. And pregnant women may face the miscarriage also because of these chemicals. Liquid styrene may cause skin burns. So you can see very harmful chemical it is and it should not be used. So better not to use it in maximum of our life. Then another man-made material that we are going to consider today is glass. We see that glass material on large scale in our day-to-day life we are utilizing. And glass was actually discovered by chance. Some Phoenicians traders were cooking in desert, and the cooking vessels were supported limestone. They kept it. When the cooking vessel was kept on the limestone, they observed that a transparent material has been formed. They thought that this transparent material may be formed due to heating together of sand and the limestone. This led to the development of technique of glass production. Glass is non-crystalline, then hard but brittle solid material formed with mixture of silica and silicate. Silica, that is SiO2 with oxygen, silica plus oxygen, to which we refer to as sand, depends upon the proportion of silica, and different types of glass as soda lime glass or borosilicate glass. Silica glass, alkali silicates glass. So variety of glasses can be made, but the basic thing used is silica. Okay. Now, production of glass is a technique properly. It has to be followed. How glass is manufactured. For glass production, sand, mixture of sand, soda, lime, and a small quantity of magnesium oxide is heated in the furnace. Sand, that is silicon dioxide, melts at temperature of 1700 degrees centigrade. So as to melt the mixture at low temperature, pieces of discarded glass are added to it. Due to this, mixture melts at say 850 degrees centigrade, and once all the ingredients of the mixture are liquefied, it is heated up to 1500 degrees centigrade and immediately cooled. Due to sudden cooling, what happens? Mixture becomes homogeneous, amorphous, and transparent instead of crystalline. This we call it as soda lime glass. So a lot of information is available on internet also about this production of glass and how it is being made. So properties of glass, we all are knowing that on heating, glass becomes soft and can be molded into different shapes. It melts, okay? And density of glass depends upon its ingredients. Glass is slow conductor of heat, or the quick heating of cool glass or on quick cooling of hot glass, it cracks or it breaks. Being bad conductor of electricity, glass is used as an insulator in electrical appliances also. Being transparent, most glass passes through the glass, and light can pass through this glass as it is transparent, and there are oxides of either chromium, vanadium, or iron in the glass. Large amount of glass is absorbed, and light is absorbed in the glass, and it becomes easy to operate. Now, different variety of glass you all must have heard: silica glass, borosilicate glass, alkali silicate glass, lead glass, optical glasses like with which specs are being made, and colored glass, processed glass. These are different varieties of glasses that we all have been using in our day-to-day life, but we are not very much sure about them. Now, effect of glass on the environment is, while glass production mixture needs to be heated up, to 1500 degrees centigrade. And during this, greenhouse gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide are released through the burning of fuel. And as the glass is non-biodegradable, if pieces of the waste glass material flow into water body, it may affect that ecosystem. Similarly, drainage may be blocked due to pieces of glass also. So, like plastic, glass is also hazardous to our environment, and it prevents the degradation due to sunlight. Some materials are stored in which type of bottles, that is, force the glass. Amber colored glass is used for storing some medicines also. And which type of glass is used in vehicles to avoid injuries in the accident. Here you see certain glass that is being used. We shall see from the 7 variety of types of glasses where it is being used. So silica glass is produced by using the silica. Items made up of silica glass show minimum expansion or heating, and it is not affected by acid and alkali. Due to this, silica glass is used to produce laboratory glasswares also, like your test tubes and conical flasks. Borosilicate glass is again one more type, which produced by melting the mixture of sand, soda, boric acid and aluminium oxide. This glass does not show a defect on medicines, and hence the bottles made up of borosilicate glass are used in the pharmaceutical industry to store the medicines also. So there are variety of uses of glasses. Alkali silicate glass is produced by heating the mixture of sand and soda together. As this glass is soluble in water, it called as water glass. Then lead glass is also there, is produced by melting the mixture of sand, soda, limestone, as well as lead. Lead oxide is also used here, and being very clear, transparent, it is used in manufacturing of light bulbs or tubes. Okay, so these very variety of glasses. Optical glass, we all know, this type of pure glass is useful in production of spectacles, lenses, microscopes. There, these optical glasses are being used. And colored glass, soda light glass, is colorless so as to impart a desired color. Oxides or specific metal is mixed during manufacturing glass. For example, ferrous oxide is mixed to get a bluish green glass, and copper oxide to get red glass. Last one is the process glass. To improve the quality and its utility, some process is performed on the glass, and various types of reinforced glass, plain glass, fiberglass, fed glass, translucent glass are being produced and are utilized for a variety of purposes. So that's all about your thermocol and glass. In the next class, we shall discuss the question answers based on these. Okay, so bye all of you. See you in the next class.